those Loopy tunes. Loopy tunes.
Pika, 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 boo. The teddy bears are bouncing up and down. The teddy bears are bouncing up and down. Let's give them a shake, wiggle, 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 wiggle. Give them a shake, wiggle, 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 wiggle. Now it's time for teddies to hide away. It's time for our teddies to hide away. Let's try and find our teddies who are hiding away. Let's try and find our teddies who are hiding away. Oh, where have the teddy bears gone? Oh, where can they be? With their two little ears and their button nose. Oh, where can they be? Pika, 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 boo! Yay! Teddy bear, we found you.
Hey you, make sure to like and subscribe down below so that you can watch my mum and auntie's videos. Loopy tunes.
Hi, friend. Bye.
Bye.